Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be talking to you about 14 amazingly free sewing patterns for children. So these are for children under the age of 10. I couldn't really find any in the teenage years, but I will do some more scouting around and see if I can do a video on that for you. But these are from the age of nothing up to the years of 10, which I think is a great range, and hopefully you'll find plenty to keep you going. So the first on our list is a floral bomber jacket by Sew a Little Seam. This is a super cute jacket for toddlers. The only free size there is the size 2. There is an additional pattern to this from 12 months up to 12 years, but that is a paid one. The free version is for 2 years only. Though if you do have a toddler and you're looking to get a little creative and find them something to wear, then this is a great alternative. It is simple to put together. It does require a few more parts than just a simple pattern. So if you are looking for something a bit more complex, a little bit more challenging, this is definitely the pattern for you. Number 2 on the list is a baby t-shirt by Melly Sews. If you don't know Melly Sews, then this blog is perfect for you. It's got so much comprehensive information about getting started with sewing, cloth making. So if you are looking for more hints and tips, then go check that out. But first we're going to talk about the pattern, which is really simple and really easy to follow. You can use an old t-shirt of your own to create this, which I love. You don't have to go out and buy any speciality fabrics. Just make sure it's washed and there's no real big stains on it, and you can cut out the pieces just like that. So this pattern comes with one size only. I'll put the link to the pattern, I'll put a link in the description below so you can go check it out, but you can use that then maybe to upgrade it or make it a little bit smaller if you feel confident. If not, there's plenty more on this list for you. So number 3 on the list is a modern baby doll dress by Schwinn & Schwinn, quite like that name. And this is for the ages 5 to 6 only. Again, there is an alternative pattern for older years. They'll have that within the blog post, so if you want to purchase that, then you can do, but this is the free version for 5 to 6 years. So this is a really fun and creative pattern, perfect for making a little, dress for summer. Does come with a zip in the back, so if you are still in the beginner stages and not quite wanting to conquer a zip, then maybe pass up on this one and go back to it at a later date when you feel a bit more confident and have tackled zips. I still struggle with zips, no shame whatsoever. If you can't do them, just move on for now. Come back when you feel a little bit more confident. So number 4 on the list is a basic kids pant pattern. This is made by Everyday with Dana. The sizes are 2T to 3T, so that is an American size. I'll leave a link in the description or a kind of table with like a conversion chart from UK, Europe and American sizes and where that sits. So if you're unsure of the sizing, then I'll leave the information for you below. So I love this pattern because it's really simple and you can use it to create shorts if you wanted as well, or make them into formal trousers. You can use these to make them into joggers, cuff the hem, there's all kinds of different things you can use this basic pattern to create. Especially if you are you quite like hacking a pattern like I do, making it something new, really getting the use out of a pattern. This is one of those patterns for you. So number 5 on the list is a basic legging pattern. So this is ages 3 to 14 by Scattered Thoughts of a Crafty Mom. This pattern is perfect for anyone who's looking to create some leggings for their children. What I like the most is that it's from ages 3 to 14, so you can keep using this pattern throughout their age range, and it's just perfect because you can use this to hack into like little cycling shorts. You can add these, you can make them little shorts to put under their skirts for when they're at school, or even when they're out and they're running around and you don't want everybody to see their underwear, so a little pair of shorts underneath is nice just to give them a coverage while they do the cartwheels in summer. It's just really fun, really easy to put together, and you can use again t-shirts that you've got at home, or fabric that you found in your stash, or go and buy some new ones purposely. Number 6 is a short sleeve pajama pattern by DIY Crush. This is perfect for if you're wanting to make those matching pajamas at Christmas time, which everybody loves, or if you're just looking to spruce up your kids' wardrobe with some nice comfy pajamas. What I love about this pattern is that you can use it for all kinds of ages and both boys and girls. It's not gender specific, so this is great because you can use this across the board for a number of children. Especially if you have both boys and girls within your household, finding a pattern that works for both is a blessing, because then at least you know with that one pattern it works, it will work for the other children as well. So number 7 on the list is a Sleepy Robe pattern by Melly Sews. What I love about this pattern is that, again, it is unisex, so you can use it for any children that you've got, whether it's nieces, nephews or your own children. It also comes in a range of sizes, perfect for if you are wanting to create little matching robes between the children. Just love that idea. This is really simple, really basic to put together. Everything is suggested for you, what the materials you'll need, how much you'll need of everything, any extras such as fastenings or linings or anything like that will be suggested, and the whole tutorial throughout is so simple to follow and so basic. It's a great beginner pattern as well to use if you are looking to try out your first clothing pattern. So number 8 is the Morton Salt Girls dress by Simple Simon & Co. I fell in love with this as soon as I saw it. It was so cute, and I've already downloaded it ready to make for my niece because it's adorable. It is a restricted size just to age 5, but I think there is a link to be able to get other sizes if you are interested. I'll leave all the link to everything in the description below. The dress is really cute and it's very inspired by Audrey Hepburn. The pictures are to die for, so you'll just fall in love with it like I did because it just looks so adorable and so cute. But it is a little bit more advanced, so if you're looking for a bit of a challenge, this is definitely something for you. If you are a beginner, I'd maybe look at doing some of the other ones first and then going back to this one later when you've built up your confidence. So number 9 on the list is the Flutter Sleeve Romper by It's Always Autumn. This again is another super cute pattern. It's really adorable, and I would use this for boys or girls and just maybe change the sleeving for boys, so it's maybe a sleeve instead of the ruffle. Totally depends on how you feel and how you want to dress your children, but I think it's really versatile and really handy to use. It's perfect for making a little summer holiday wardrobe. The size is restricted to 40, so that is an American size, and I'll obviously leave the information below from the conversions from UK, Europe and America sizes, so you can work out if it's the right size for your child. But otherwise the pattern is really cute, really handy and quite simple to put together. It's definitely something that would make a lovely little summer outfit. So number 10 is a t-shirt pattern for boys by Life So Savoury. This pattern is cut in the range of ages 2 to 14, so if you've got children between those years, that's perfect, because then you can use this pattern going up throughout the years to fit to their age as they grow, which I really love because this is versatile. You're really getting a lot for no money at all. It's free, so you're getting a lot for nothing, which I really appreciate. So I think that is great. The pattern's really simple to follow. The t-shirt itself, they all look really beautiful. The pictures on her blog look so beautiful, so it's definitely something very inspiring, and it's really simple. You can make it within a day. Number 11 on the list is a basic tank top, and this is again by Life So Savoury. So she has 2 boys and she's created these sewing patterns, and again the age range is from 2 years to 14 years, so it's perfect if you have children in that size. I would also say you could use this for girls if you like, because it is so basic. You can just change up the fabric to be a bit more feminine if you like, or you can screen print on it, all these different things. But the actual template and the pattern is very basic, so you can use it for any kind of gender. Number 12 on the list is some reversible mesh shorts, and this is again by Life So Savoury. She's definitely got you covered on these sewing patterns. Again, the age range is from 2 years to 14 years, so you know it's perfect because you can team these shorts up with a vest or a t-shirt from before, and you've got a perfect summer wardrobe right there. So these shorts are really simple to put together. Everything you need to know is provided for you within the blog post and the pattern. Really simple and really easy, and again you can use this pattern again and again and again as your children grow. I would also say these make great shorts for sports activities because they're lightweight and loose. So even if you've got girls that like to play soccer, football, tennis, you know, all these different sports, perfect for PE kits if you make your own, all things like that, just perfect. They're easy to put together and really quick. Number 13 on our list is the Summer 90 pattern by So Much Ado. This is a limited age. Again, this is for 2 years to 3 years, and it's a toddler range. But it is adorable. If you have children within that age range, then you definitely will want to make this. It's very cute, very feminine, very girly. It's very adorable. But I think if you have a child that's just out of that age range, you could easily use this pattern, just size it up a little to fit their needs. And it's really simple to put together, really straightforward, but the after effect of the actual garment is really nice. And finally, number 14 on our list is the Baby Romper Not 12 Months by Life So Savoury. This is adorable. It is so cute. You can make this up for a friend, for yourself, for, you know, somebody that you know that's having a baby. It makes a perfect gift. And what's more is that it's homemade and made with love by you, which I really love. I think it's adorable. It's really simple to put together, really easy to follow. I think rompers and baby clothing can often be quite daunting to get into, but you know, the blog and the lady that created these, she talks about it in such a way that it's so easy to understand and so easy to follow that even if you're a beginner, you should be able to feel confident going forward with this. So they are my 14 amazingly free sewing patterns for children. I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you do, make sure you like it, share it with your sewing friends, and think about subscribing because I will be bringing out more of these videos along with helpful tutorials and more hacks on sewing patterns. Thank you for joining me, and I'll see you in the next one.